Welcome! In this video, we learn how to replace a controller. Aruba Central On-Premises supports the controller replacement workflow. You can replace the faulty device from the controller list view on the web UI. Ensure to go through these important points before replacing the controller. Only single device replacement is supported for controllers. Bulk replacement is not available. The make and model of the old and new controller can be either same or different. The new controller must be present in device inventory and must not have any label or site assigned to it, because they are inherited from the old controller. The device to be replaced must be in offline state. Ensure that the new controller is licensed. After the controller is replaced, the old controller is removed from device inventory, monitoring pages, and site, label, and group if associated. The old controller is deleted from the monitoring page only after the validation process is complete, and this process takes approximately 15 minutes. After the controller is replaced, the new controller inherits the group, label, and site parameters from the old device. The following screen will show you how to replace a controller using the web UI. Navigate to the controllers list. Open the details page of faulty controller and click Replace Device. Use the serial number to search the new controller. Verify the details. These parameters will be inherited from the old to the new controller. You can also check that logs are created for device replacement on the audit trail page. And progress of replacement can be seen in the Devices under Replacement option on the Network Structure tab. Replacement is complete, and all parameters are now mapped to the new controller. We have successfully replaced a controller. Thank you for watching.